Hello everyone. So now I am going to present the class diagram. So before class diagram, if we will observe in this use case diagram, we will see that there is faculty, then student, mentor, administrator, and this communication manager. Okay, so now these are the actors and the use cases are as it has been told. So now what will happen that these actors will map to classes in our class diagram. Plus there will be some other classes that will function different aspect of algorithm and determining that which mentor will be given to which team of students. So now we will see the class diagram of it. So now in the class diagram, as you can see that we have this project allotment system and in in the hierarchy, there is a user class. Now, what is the meaning of this user class? So this user class have different types of attributes and functions, which are very pretty simple in most of the classes. Okay, so it has email, login, logout, and its name. Okay, so now what will happen that if student will inherit it, then this user ID will become his enrollment ID. If the faculty will inherit it, then it will become its faculty ID. Or if mentor will inherit it, then mentor is also a faculty, so it will map to their IDs. Okay. Now there is other thing that is known as core components. Now what are these core components are? So actually these all are the classes that will do the functionality of arranging and determining the teams of our students and the mentor that are being allotted. Okay, so now here we can see that users are faculty, administrator, student, and mentor, and then this student have a relation with team. Student have a relation with team. Now, why student is related with team? Because students will obviously form the teams. Okay, and then we have this project that is student will be assigned to a project, and then there is a project component and project session that we will see later on. Now, there is one thing known as team formation engine. Okay, and this administrator is using this team formation engine. So what is this team formation engine? Actually, this is the very important component this is very important class which will run the algorithm that we are using. Okay, now how it will run this algorithm? So first of all, we will need the profile of students, we will need the profile of mentors. So as you can see that this profile is the user class. We are inheriting profile. Why we are inheriting profile? Because user class will have profile of student as well as for faculty, and then this team formation engine, what it will do, it will assign those teams to the mentor. So okay, so that's why this profile is a very important aspect of it. Okay, then the third thing that we can see here is the communication service. Now what is the use of this communication service? Actually it is used to message different classes or a different like faculty, student, or administrator, or or another user like mentor, that what work is being done. For example, like if you have the administrator has determined the groups, so now how students will know that the groups are being determined? So the communication service will send the message to student. Okay, and if see that there is some query that is being raised, then that query will be sent as student has raised it, so student will raise the query through communication service, and then it will reach to mentor or faculty to whom he has sent. Okay, now you can see that there is some class known as mediator class. Now what is this mediator class? Actually it carries the message. Okay, हमारे पास एक communication service है. Now the mediator will, what it will do, it will carry the message, it will act as a mediator between different classes. जहां जहां मैसेज पास होगा, this will act as a mediator of it. Okay, now let's take a very small example. Let's say we are assigning a project. Now how this cycle will begin? So see, whenever a new allocation start, different users begin interacting with the system. हर एक user क्या करेगा? System के साथ interact करेगा. Okay, so everything starts with this user profile. Okay, user profile से हर चीज start होगी, and then what this profile will be like, this profile, what it will do, it will first profile the students. Okay, profile the mentors, that students, what skills student have, what are the preferences that students want for themselves, and what are their weights. It means that on which part, like first, second, third, on which preference we want our this particular project should be. The second thing is mentor, like a mentor can have a skill, okay, his expertise, what are his expertise are, and then is mentor free or not? It means that is he already been occupied by some other work? So we will also see that part. Okay, then what will happen that faculty will create a project, and then after the project is being created, so it will have its project section. Now, what is project section? Actually, it's an abstract class which will have all the details regarding the project. As you can see that there is a project ID, there is a title, there is a description, and then domain of the project. Okay, so all these details will be in this project class. Now, what will happen that student will express his interest. Okay, student will express his interest that whether is he interested in this project or not. Okay, and then how his interest will be made? It will be seen through his profile, that on which preference he has selected that particular project to be. Okay, then how this allotment will get started? So the allotment will begin that administrator, this particular administrator, what he will do, he will run the team formation engine. Once we have all the profiles, once we have all the preferences, then this administrator will run the team formation engine, and then he will start making the groups. Okay, now what this engine will do, it will read all students profile. It will see that what students skill preferences and weights are. Then it will read the project details, that what are the required skill for that project, what are the complexity of that project, what is the domain of that particular project, and then it will do the skill matching. Okay, it will build a compatibility or cost matrices. Okay, yeah, what is a cost matrix? Actually, it is a weight matrix which will be formed by the Hungarian algorithm. Okay, now, once this all team formation engine has done, then the teams will be created. Okay, teams will be created, and the projects will be assigned to the team. Okay, then the project will be assigned to the team. That is, the team will be assigned a particular project. Okay, then what will be done, that mentor will also be assigned by using the same profile class. Okay, after the mentor has been assigned, then the communication service will communicate to different mentors and different teams. This mentor is assigned to this team, and then they will know that yeah, this is our work and what we will do then. Like we have seen in our use case diagram that the mentor will evaluate the project, so he will get the message, now yes, this particular project is being assigned to me, and then I need to evaluate it, and then I need to see the overall functionality of the project. I need to overlook it. Okay. So now this is the class diagram. I hope that you all got a very clear picture of how this class diagram works. Okay. Bye.